Kaylee Boozer here with Ginger Roberts. Hello, gorgeous, from the Hollywood Starlets. Ginger, are you from Hollywood? Is that your team?
Well, I do live in Hollywood, but I'm not from Hollywood.
I can kind of tell by your accent. Where are you from?
Guess.
Guess? Oh, the other girl said heaven. I'm gonna say Michigan.
No. Think about the best food in the world.
Italy.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah, there you go.
Bringing some Italian spice to the Hollywood Starlets. Now, what do you bring over from Italy? Something that's not. No, I haven't met any of the other girls from Italy. What is something that you bring from Italy into Margarita Wrestling?
I bring the ancient blood, fiery blood,
Yes.
and